Welcome to Dependable Flame, where we explore vintage petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacciana, and other useful mechanisms. Make yourself at home. Today we are going to clear the flint tube in this Elgin American automatic lighter. Elgin American is a little bit different than a lot of them in that the way it comes apart, the top lifts out. And basically your case is left with the tank, and then you just have your mechanism here up top. So the way that that's spinning, with pressure on it, it shouldn't be spinning that freely, and we pull the spring back, and as you can see, our flint is degraded in there. So I'm going to go ahead and start working this. Hopefully I can get through it with my hands and not have to use the drill, but if we have to, then we may have to use the drill on it. You do want to be careful. I got a question on one of the videos, or a comment on one of the YouTube videos the other day. Somebody said that they had broke off the piece of the neck, and it feels like that may be giving. So anyway, they said they broke off the neck and that the flint was not setting in there properly, and was there anything they could do. And it is a danger, and I've had it happen to me. I've seen it happen when a drill bit wasn't even used. I've seen the flint degrade and expand in the tube to the extent that it busted the neck of the flint tube itself. So that is a possibility. So you always want to be careful. And I think we've got that clear now. I'm going to go blow that out real quick. There's not a whole lot to it, and I can't see. Can't exactly see through there, but I'm going to blow that out, and then I think we'll be able to fit a flint into place and be back in business. If you enjoy watching videos about old petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacciana, and other useful mechanisms, please subscribe to the channel. Please like the video you're watching. Tell your friends about the channel. Hit the share button. Send that link off in a text, email, post it on social media. However it is that you communicate with folks nowadays, and let them get a look at it for themselves. You can also leave any comments or questions below the video. We would also appreciate it if you would follow and like Dependable Flame and dependableflame.com across all the social media platforms. That'll be Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and of course eBay. Alright, so we've got the flint tube, that short little flint tube, in this inverted mechanism here. Get the flint down in the tube, our spring back in place, and it's a little bit hard to get the leverage needed without the rest of the lighter, but okay, now we got it sparking a little better. So we will go ahead and fill this up. make sure that you get over to eBay and check out the dependableflame.com store. Every purchase that you make there will benefit HDSA, Huntington's Disease Society of America, with at least 10% of each purchase going to that charity. We also run 3 penny start auctions each month, where 100% of those auctions proceeds go to HDSA. Those are penny start auctions. I provide free shipping. High bidder gets the lighter, pays the money, which all goes to the charity, and everybody is happy. Feels like that fuel soaked on around. It's kind of hard to tell. I don't want to overfill it, but I guess if I do, I can just shake it out. But it is acting like it is saturated, so I'll go ahead and shake that out. Make sure while you're over there at eBay that you follow the dependableflame.com store so that you are notified each time that we put up one of those new auctions or listings. Make sure also here on the YouTube channel that you hit the bell so that you are notified in your inbox each time that we publish a new video. Not sure if that's an Opal or some other similar car. Lighter's working now though. We'll see how good we can get it going and have a video on it soon. It's a interesting little mechanism, pretty cool, but not too difficult to access to clear that flint tube. Pretty easy. So there you go. This is the repair video for how to repair a vintage Elgin American Petrol lighter, automatic Petrol lighter that will not spark. Until next time.